Hi guys, welcome to the update. Well, this morning I'm going to talk about three things, and they're all equally important and in no particular order, so let's just hit it. The 6th annual Jetbuilt User Summit will be taking place this year in Nashville, Tennessee, my new home, although I'm out of town this week for the 4th. But we look forward to seeing you there. This will be October 16th and 17th. That's a few months away, so you can save the date. We have a link here where you can visit the site. This will be 2 days of deep dive into everything Jetbuilt. We'll share a lot of vision about Jetbuilt, ideas about where we want to take Jetbuilt, but more importantly, you guys share where you'd like Jetbuilt to go. And even more important than that are the hacks and tricks that you guys have come up with that you share with us and you share with everybody at Summit. So it's just a great town hall, I guess, type of environment where we all share each other's ideas, those of us who spend most of our working hours inside of Jetbuilt. So we look forward to seeing you in Nashville. Yeehaw. Imagine having every one of your notifications, your discussion threads, your tasks to yourselves or to others, your contract signed alerts or new service case notification or service case closed notification, new project request from a client through portal, every single thing going on in Jetbuilt. Imagine if that could all be on your radar in one place. And that is what we did. We launched Radar this morning. It is everything everywhere going on for you inside of Jetbuilt. But for the first couple of weeks, it is by request only. We're really needing a lot of feedback on Radar. Just reach out to support this morning. They'll turn on in your account. Radar is no additional cost. It's just part of Jetbuilt, but we're launching it into this private beta just for a couple of weeks. The launch list that we carried out this spring, where we launched 57 new functions inside of Jetbuilt that were highly requested from you at Infocom, at Summit, through chat support. But it was the first time we announced, here's our list. We're going to be building these over the next few months. We had never really done that before. You guys, so many of you were tracking along with us. We had so many comments over the 3-month campaign that it was such a positive thing. We are going to do it again. So we're now coming up with a summer launch list. We'll be rolling it out here in the next couple of weeks. We'll publish it on the website, and you can follow along with the progress. All right, well, I guess that's enough of me and Tucker. So thanks again for using Jetbuilt. This is Paul Dexter signing off.